Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the Ubisoft email without access to old email. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Ubisoft account. And on the upper right corner of the Ubisoft website, click your profile and select the customer support from the drop-down menu. Then in the search bar, type change email without access to email. Ubisoft will show some supported articles and skip those for now and click on the Contact Us. Then to choose the support category, just select Account Management and Security, and then Open and Support Case. If no solution is found, click the Contact Us again and you'll be brought to a form where you can submit your request. Then write your request clearly. In the message box, explain your situation and be as detailed as possible. Then the UB software may require a soft proof of account ownership. You can attach a screenshots of a previous purchases, account details, and any Ubisoft communication, other evidences showing that you own the account, and use Add Files button to upload the file. Then submit the case. Ubisoft will review the case and you can contact by the alternative contact info you provided. An important tip is you need to be patient. It may take some time for the Ubisoft to process your request. And that's it. You just need to wait for the Ubisoft support to verify and help you change your email. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.